I know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time. Sun and skin.
Turn around so I can see your face. Happy Father's Day.
Well, thanks, Pam. Kids, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Boo, thank you. To the Dadmobile!
Sterling picked up the card out.
You always pick out the best cards. This is wonderful. To the Dadmobile. Woo!
I had a
Girl, Junior flying all over the place. Whenever, wherever. Thanks for always being there. Love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day. We love you. Pam, Journey, and Sterling. Thank you so much.
Do you see her signature?
I see you right here.
Journey.
Love you.
I love you.
I'm going to take this on my birthday.
Okay. Let's see it.
Well, she looks like a butt, but she signed it there
I was
too.
thinking more Hooters, but I thought you might have put that out beside you.
No.
Some Hooters.
But do you see her?
Yes, Journey. Well, I can tell that's it is an orange. It's just very good. You're so good at that. Look at this.
Let me tell you a story. I had 2 cards picked out for you. I rang up that card and
This one's awesome right here.
I said, "Oh, Dad's only getting 1 card.
That's what?
Only getting 1 card."
Oh, yeah. Price of cards is ridiculous, isn't it?
It was like almost $6.
I never tell you the price of your card. Now you're just rubbing it in my face.
The one I had was like another 5 something, and I'm like, "Hi guys, happy Father's Day." So it is 1:25. We stopped at Dunkin' Donuts, and we are going to go to the Punk Flea Market. It is here in Greenville. So we're gonna go to that, and then on the way home we're gonna stop at Walmart and get stuff for dinner. Danny's gonna make like chicken pot pie, and I'm going to do like a macaroni, and I'll probably also pick up something else to make, like just another, maybe I'll pick up a can of cranberry sauce too, because Papa likes that. We're gonna do salad, and yeah, Nathan and Cora will be over. Evan should be home, so everybody should be there.
Is Brian will be there?
Yeah, for Father's Day. And I think tomorrow we'll probably go to the lake. We'll pack a lunch and go to the lake.
Am I going?
Yeah?
And
Woohoo! I don't know.
I want to hold it, Mom.
No. Just let him eat. Ron, is that your child? Oh, came to see him for Father's Day. Ron. We made peach cobbler earlier. He's cooking. Bake and bake. Father's Day dinner. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. And we got some mac and cheese.
Oh, nice. I am a big fan of Wonder Woman.
That's what he said.
Thank you very much.
It was on the refrigerator. On top. No, it was over by the cereal. I was hiding it from Journey. Because you know, she would have ate it all.
This termite walked into the bar and asked, "Where's the bartender?" Get it?
I don't get it. A toothless termite walked into a bar.
Asked, "Where's the bartender?"
We don't know where the baby come from, the baby kitten.
There's the
Where'd the baby
neighbors.
kitten go?
Oh, Mama, look!
Sterling!
Because if I look at something on my phone, I have to wait on or on my computer, I gotta wait on at least 2 advertisements still. And then I might get 5 minutes into it, and here comes another advertisement.
Smile!
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.